Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Viewers, today I am going to make a chicken achari handi, and this is very simple. I am putting Kalonji, and I am given the quantity of the things in my description box, so go through this and follow the instructions. Then I am going to add Saunf and fenugreek seeds, and I am going to roast this masala for about 3 minutes. You can add red chilli too, but I will put it later, so I am not adding it right now. I will just roast this for about 3 minutes. Okay, now I have taken 500 grams of chicken. In this chicken I am going to add yogurt, fresh yogurt, garlic ginger paste, then I am adding the masala which I roasted in a pan. You can, if you don't like this as it is, you can make its powder as well. Now I am going to add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, and salt to taste. And you are going to marinate this for about 40 to 60 minutes. Okay, now you have to take a karahi, open the flame, add some oil, after adding oil, add some mustard seeds. Then you are going to add 2 to 3 red chillies and some green chillies. Roast this. Now add chopped onion into it and cook it till it comes to golden brown color. Now it took around 8 minutes to cook this onions. Now they are light brown. We are going to add 2 chopped tomato into it and again cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes in medium flame. Okay, it took around 7 minutes to cook this. Now I am going to add this marinated chicken into it, and then again I am going to cook this till it gets soft. Cook this for about 15 minutes. In medium flame. Okay viewers, it took around 15 minutes to cook. Now chicken achari handi is ready, and I am going to serve this. Cover it for about 2 minutes off the flame and wait for 2 minutes. Okay viewers, now chicken achari handi is ready. I am going to garnish it with some coriander, fresh coriander. If you like my video, then like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.